So yeah, I wish you a happy 2019 in nature, with less stress, less rushing, less clutter, more space, more spaciousness, more being, more nature. Get out there in nature, guys. Walk in a forest like the way I'm doing now in the middle of Glendalough, Ireland, or wherever you live. This is where I am. More slowness and deep breathing. More stopping. More being happy. More peace. This is so beautiful, everyone. I love it. It's therapy. My bike trail. So everyone, one of the reasons why we're so stressed in today's world is because we have so much sound and noise pollution. So many lights and flickering things, all grabbing our attention. So much noises, startling us, like traffic horns beeping. Electronic pollution, not only just like the transmissions, but also always being on phones. Like I know I am now, but I'm doing it for a good purpose temporarily. I could have walked here without the phone like I did the other day if I wanted to show you. So we've too much stuff and pressure and things to manage and cope with. We're always rushing and doing things, and we're not stopping enough. We're not listening enough. Stop, listen. Create gaps and space in your life to be instead of to do, to stop instead of to rush. Breathe. Be grateful. Look at your surroundings. It's gorgeous. Enjoy yourself. Get out there in nature and get out of your head and get into your senses. It's beautiful. So minimize and reduce the phone, telly and computer. Minimize and reduce excessive lighting. Get out there in quiet places that are spacious and stop and listen. Far away, close by. Panorama. Interact, touch, connect. Breathe, smile, kiss, hug. So, let 2019 be a lovely year to find more peace, harmony, quietness, stopping, compassion, and understanding. More serenity. Let go of the rat race, the struggle for competition. Let go of the burden of excessive amount of stuff and excessive amount of things to cope with and manage and clean and tidy and to transport and to store. And to let go of excessive buying and consumerism and get out there in nature more and look at the lovely landscape. The other day I walked this in the evening when it was getting dark, and it was absolutely magical and sensational. A little bit scary, a little bit, but I knew I really had nothing to be afraid of. A bit of that. I think I might do that again because I have to go home to do stuff. It's the second last day of the year, December 30th. Beautiful. I kind of want to go back a different way, but should probably go back home. Anyway, everyone, lots of love. Hope you have a lovely day and week and year. Remember what I'm saying, okay? Play this again. Simplify your life and make time for nature and stopping. Ah. Little stick. Very beautiful. That's what happens when you're not fully watching exactly where you're going. So everyone, don't forget to check out my other videos. To like or share or comment on my videos, to engage, to support my channel, my messages, me and my loved ones and family a little bit. It helps the YouTube viewership and getting the message out there. Don't forget to listen to the birds, everyone. It's the sound of magic. It's better than meditation, at least relaxing meditation. Oh. Anyway, everyone, I suppose I'll let you go. Thanks for watching and lots of love to you and your family. Thanks for your lovely comments, sweet messages, as always, that you give me, many of you. And other than that, thanks for everyone who likes or shares. Thank you. And thanks for all the love, the good energy in 2018. And I hope 2019 is better for all of us. And I love you all, and I love nature. I love Source, God, the universe, Spirit. Appreciate life. Life is the best gift, to wake up every day. And it's just for a while, so let's appreciate, be glad, count our blessings, and to take the time to enjoy life by slowing down, relaxing a bit. I could go this way, but it seems maybe slippy and totally off track. This way is very beautiful, in the forest. Okay. Bye everyone. Lots of love, and have a great day, and I love you 2019. Get back to me later and tell me how it's going, okay? Take care, lots of love. See ya. Thanks for watching. See ya.